Oh, it's another wee update video. What I've got here is the Chinese diesel heater. Opted for the all-in-one thing so I can take it out whenever I need to. I've just basically run cables right up to the leisure battery. Using wee things there. Just connected to the leisure battery. I've checked it, it is working, so I've just topped it up with some diesel there. I'm going to fire it up, see how it looks, or see how it feels, see if we get heat out it. And the plan is, it's going in this back end here, along there, and with the two holes going down through the floor for the exhaust and the air intake. So I'll get back to you in a minute. So I've topped it up with diesel, and it's been through its wee start-up cycle. It's just what I'm called the other now, but these things, I know by the ones in the trucks, they take maybe a minute or two to kind of go through the cycle and start battling out the heat. I'll give it a wee minute, see how it goes. It's going to warm up. Still quite heat coming out of it now. Turn it up a bit. Battering out the heat now. Well, it is a wee bit noisy, but that's not concerning me because, as I say, being a truck driver, kind of get used to these kind of noises off these night heaters. It's working away quite a thing. What I'll do now is, I'll leave it on a minute or two, let it batter out some good heat. Just make sure it's working alright, then I'll shut it out. That's the exhaust is just going to give it smoky there because there's nowhere to go. That's actually where the holes are going to be for the exhaust, so that's alright. We'll get that done. Right, I have 8 wee pilot holes there for that's the air intake and that's the exhaust. I made that hole a bit bigger because that'll be the heat off the exhaust pipe. I don't want that touching the wood, so that'll be getting sealed up with this stuff. It's up to 300 degrees. So right, so I need to make these holes a bit bigger. So I'll get back to you. Right, so it's the exhaust pipe and the other one's the air intake. What I'll do is I'll put some hammer right in there so there's no rust. Just a wee bit slow processing out, it's so frustrating. Every 5 minutes there's a fucking monsoon. I don't know if you can see that's the exhaust pipe down through, so what I need to do is bend that up and clamp it onto the chassis. We're getting there, just need that rain to go off a wee bit. Right, so that's blasting out a good old heat. There's the exhaust under there, and that's the air intake. And up there you can see where I put the hammer right in that in. Just let that burn for a wee minute, let it get up to temp. And I'll start getting this place all tidied up, get it ship shape.